Morning students, sit down. Students, if we enter in a room which is dark, what we do is that we go to the switch box and switch on the light. When we switch on the light, it burns and room becomes bright. How this light is able to get burned? Because there is particular energy is restored, and when we switch on the switch box, the energy being passed to a tube light that enables light to get burned. If we see ourselves, we are able to perform our daily activities every day. How? Because we have one kind of energy which is restored in our system. This energy we obtain from where? We obtain this energy by eating or drinking water or food. This water or food we cook with the help of LPG gas. And this LPG gas we obtain from where? We obtain from nature. If you look in around, we see the amount of energy. This energy is termed as a source of energy. So class, today we are going to learn about the sources of energy. Sources of energy. Sources of energy. So class, what is the topic for today? Yes, sources of energy. Class, listen very carefully from the beginning. What is the sources of energy? The source of energy means the origin of power or energy being passed or energy being used by the world. Energy means the capacity to do work. Therefore, source of energy is used for the transportation for working areas. Energy means power created by the natural and artificial force. Source of energy. Source of energy. A. Origin of power. Origin of power. B. Capacity to do work. Ricky, look at the blackboard. Capacity to do work. C. Transportation of working areas. Transportation of working areas. And D. Power means or energy means power created by the natural and artificial force. Energy means power created by natural and artificial force. For example, solar heat energy. example, sun heat energy or electricity. Mati bahur, what is the source of energy? Yes, carry on. Very good. Sit down. The origin of power, capacity to do work, or energy means power created by natural and artificial force. So students, these sources of power or these sources of energy are divided into two categories or two types. That is renewable source and non-renewable source. The example of renewable source is windmill or solar energy. Types. First, renewable source of energy. Renewable source of energy. Renewable source. It can be renewed within a short period of time. It can be renewed within short period of time. Short period of time. For example, solar energy. Example, solar energy. Solar energy. There is one side. One more example of renewable source of energy. Yes, good. That is wind energy. Wind energy. And second type of energy, second type of source of energy is non-renewable energy. Renewable source. Students, note down the important points in a notebook. It cannot be renewed within short period of time. Why? Say one example of non-renewable source of energy. Yes, coal. Example is coal and firewood. So class, we have learned two types of sources of energy, that is renewable and non-renewable. Now this renewable sources of energy is classified into four categories, that is solar energy, wind energy, biogas energy and tidal energy. But in today's class we shall learn on three categories, that is solar, wind and biogas. Classification of renewable resource. Classification of renewable renewable source. First, that is solar energy. Solar energy. What is solar energy? The energy that is provided by the sun is called a solar energy. The energy that is provided by sun. For example, the solar for electricity. Example is solar for electricity. Example, solar for electricity. So class, have a look at this model. Class, backside, can you see? Yes, very good. This is a solar. It looks like a plate, but it is not a plate. This is a solar panel. Through this help of this solar panel, we absorb the sun heat and restore in the battery. And through the help of battery, we get the electricity. And this light is mostly used in the street. Next, that is our wind energy. B, wind energy. Wind energy. What is wind energy? Wind energy is generated with the help of windmill. It is one of the cheap, clean, renewable resources. Wind energy is generated with the help of windmill. It is generated with the help of windmill. Class, have a look once again at this model. This 1, 2, 3, you might be wondering, what is this? But this is looks like a fan, but it's not a fan. It is called a windmill, through which we absorb or acquire the wind energy, and we use for a purpose. Class, once again look at this chart. I have written here sources of energy. These are the 3 windmills which helps to acquire the energy from wind. This turbine rotates when wind blows. And third one, that is C, biogas energy. Biogas energy. What is biogas energy? Biogas can be produced from the raw materials. from agriculture, which includes dead plants, animal dung, and kitchen waste. It is produced from raw materials. It is produced from raw materials. It includes dead plants. It includes dead plants, animal dung, Don't students, note down the points. And Ricky, look at the blackboard. Kitchen waste. So class, have a look at this chart. These are biogas energy. You can see the house, cow, toilets, the man is throwing the waste materials. All these, the waste things, we dump in this dustbin and we burn and we produce the gas. And this gas we use for our different purpose, for lighting or cooking and so on. So class, now let us recapitulate what we have learned. We have learned the sources of energy. What is the energy? Is a origin of power, capacity to do work, or energy means power created by the natural and artificial. And the sources of energy are two types. We have learned that renewable and non-renewable. That can be renewed within short period of time. It is called a renewable source of energy, and non-renewable source of energy that we cannot renew. Then this renewable source of energy is further classified into four types. But today we have learned only three types. That is solar energy, wind energy, and biogas energy. So class, let me ask some question to you. Okay, welcome, stand up. What do you understand by source of energy? Yes, carry on. Very good, sit down. Source of energy means the origin of power, capacity to do work, or energy means power created by natural and artificial force. Mati bahu, what are the types of energy? Yes, good, carry on. Excellent. I asked only two types of energy part. See, classify the renewable source of energy, what we have learned today. So class, today we have learned the sources of energy, and I'll give you the homework, and tomorrow you do the homework and bring to me for correction. Homework. First, fill in the blank. Students, write out the homework in your notebook. First, number A is renewable resource are. Renewable resource are dust. So in this dust you have to fill up. Second, biogas energy produced. B, biogas energy produced dust. As second category, answer the following questions. That's number 2. Answer the following. Answer the following. A. Define solar energy. Define solar energy. Number B. Which source of energy are suitable for rural areas? Which source of energy are suitable for rural areas? Last, long question answer. Long question. Answer. What are the various types of energy? Explain in detail. What are the various sources of energy? Explain in detail. Explain in detail. So class, we have finished our class today, and tomorrow you bring your homework. Have a great day.